I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy. I'm back with another one. To jump back on the Honda. Junior has gone back to Georgia, ready for the school year to start and everything like that. So now I'm back in that mode. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna finish up this Honda. We're gonna get started on the Caprice. Like it really is like focus and grind time. So I guess I can't flip you real time, but let me. All right, so basically what I gotta do is I need to get everything pretty much mounted back up. Now, I do got a lot of bolts, etc., etc., and I really should have bagged them, but that's what I'm finna do this morning. Finna go to the junkyard. I do need an alternator because this alternator is stuck on there. I don't know if I'm gonna have to end up cutting it off or what. But yeah, so that alternator that I got wrapped up in there is gonna have to be getting out of there. I'm gonna need to make sure I got the hardware to bolt the alternator back on. What is this? Compressor. I ain't worked on my car in so long. What's that, George? And then same thing with this here is what, like the power steering. Yeah, it's like the power steering joint. So, like I know that goes right there. And I know it's like 2 bolts that hold that. So that way that'll line up on there. And then, like I said, we'll get the starter, not the starter, the AC compressor bolt sit on there. Like I said, I'm gonna grab an alternator, but also grab the alternator bolts, put that on there, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna also try to grab another battery cable, because this one here, I have to disconnect it from the frame every time. And I think it's these side mount bolts here that are missing. So I need to grab those bolts, which, like I said, it should be a pretty easy fix. Move that out the way, boom, boom, get them 2 bolts. Make sure I got an extension. Make sure I got short. Last time I just took like a pocket full of tools. This time I'm gonna actually take like my extensions with my tools, because then I get out there and it's like, damn, I should have had the joint. So I'm gonna probably grab this and a backpack, and that way I ain't gotta make 2 trips. Yeah. But yeah, just making sure I got all the sizes. Make sure I got that 14 in some shape, form, or way. Well, actually, there's a 14 right there. Why would it be 2 14s? I don't know. At least as long as I got a 14 that is short and a 14 that is deep, then I'll be good. Need to make sure I had that 12. A couple other ones, but we'll make sure that we get them and be good to go. But yeah, just the last few things that we need to finish putting this back together. I got a photo shoot I got to do later today. So it's really, man, it's grind time, man. Had a great time with Junior being here for the summer. And taking a toll on the pockets a little bit, but you know, can't put no price on the memories, you know what I'm saying? So that's definitely what we finna get ready to do. So get the alternator, power steering, mounting stuff, AC compressor bolts, pretty much all the accessory stuff, the side mount bolts, and that should be it. Get all that stuff back on the car, hooked up, run our belt, and yeah, should be smooth, easy sailing somewhat. It's supposed to be a heat advisory today, so I'm definitely trying to get out here as soon as this thing open. Well, like I said, I gotta go to the barbershop, but after that, we're going straight there. We're gonna get in there, get whatever we need to get done, so we can get out, and then carry on with our day. I'm trying to make sure there's nothing else that I can think of that I might need. Although it probably still will be. I'm gonna take my ratchet too, because ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so I'll catch y'all back on when we get there. Alright, y'all, just left from a barber. It done got me all the way together. You know what I mean? All the way together. So, next stop, junkyard, get what we need, in and out like a robbery. As you can see, it's kind of an overcast day, so that's good. The sun ain't gonna be beaming on us. It do say the temperature is 84 degrees. It's about 9:40 now. So we're gonna try to do this as quickly as possible, because the longer it takes, the clouds may move, the hotter it's gonna get, and that ain't what we want at all. At all. So yeah. But yeah, definitely gotta go ahead and get my hair cut or my stuff lined up, because concert coming up. Me and baby, we supposed to be going to the LMA concert. So yeah, fresh as on me is on my. So catch y'all on when we get back to the Kizar or two. I don't know. I was looking on the website this morning. It was tripping. I was trying to narrow down the cars that are there, but it wouldn't let me do it. So when I get in here, they'll print me off a list of everything they got, and then we'll go ahead and finish this Honda up, and then we moving on. I ain't finna drag it out. If I have it my way, and I'm pretty sure that I will, I'm finna, like I said, we done bought this Honda, put this together, and then we're finna turn around, we're finna get Dolores together, and then tighten up the rest of everything else. And yeah, good times. Alright, so we are on the way to the Honda section. This is like the perfect junkyard day. I miss when I used to come for Chevy stuff, because Chevy is right up front, but gotta go all the way to the back and down and over and all that. But I should have everything I need to get what we came for. Here we go, we back out the door. From what he was telling me, it was some, I don't know if it's cars that's missing, but when I had him look up the alternator for that car, he said it didn't have any 03s, 3.0s. But I feel like there may be a mix-up on their system of what's actually interchangeable. So I'll be the final judge. Yeah. Excuse me. Let me find my victim and we're gonna get to work. All right, so it does look like some shit has moved around. Nothing is the same. However, look, this look like what I need right here. At least for some of it. I know he said maybe the alternator is different, but there go one. I was like, I know y'all ain't took all of them. There go another one. Like I said, the plugs may be different, but we may be able to make something work. And then look like this one. Yeah, so I got two or three little donuts. Worst case scenario, we gotta go get an alternator from the store, which ain't necessarily a bad thing. So let's get busy. So I do believe that I'm gonna use this as my specimen. I forgot about that picture. That's dope. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here. So this is not the same alternator, however, the way that it mounts is the same. So we're gonna take that little part so we can mount it. But we can't use the alternator, and that's fine. Then we can make sure that we get the bolts that mounts the power steering pump, which is there and there. And like I said, I may have this stuff already, but since I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. And then I'm gonna make sure that I grab the bolts for this side mount here. Boom, boom. And for the compressor, which is down there. So, yeah, should be kind of interesting. Well, let's see if we're able to get these bolts. I think we could use a couple extra bolts for the mount there, so I'll grab them if I can as well. So, catch you back on when we're done. All right, so this, oh damn, I almost tripped over that piece of wood. But yeah, let me show you what we got going on here. So we were able to get all the accessories on. We did not find another battery cable. I'll deal with that down the line. But pretty much as far as everything here, the mount, everything is on there. The only thing we need to do now is put the belt on there, and it'll be good to go. Everything else is on there. Power steering pump, alternator. That alternator, I didn't really fool with it. We'll see if it's functional, if it works. If it works, cool. We'll run it till it die and then worry about it. If not, but I'm not gonna just throw one at it just because seems to be a 1 year thing, and when I went to the junkyard it looked to be the same. So yeah, it is what it is. I'll look into it for sure if we end up needing one. There is an O2 sensor, so there's one right there, but then there's one that goes like in the side down there, which we don't have plugged in, screwed in. So I gotta screw that in. Honestly, I wasn't used to all these different O2 sensors. I'm used to like a pre-cat and after cat. This one got like a pre-cat. I guess technically that's pre-cat, and then the other one would be like in the cat, and then same thing on the back side. Of course, you know it's just different. So we're gonna have to charge the battery up. Yeah, get this battery charged back up, put a belt on there, send it off, and then be good to go. But that is your update. After that, like I said, we're gonna dive back in there. There's a couple things that I believe to be issues or concerns when it comes to these that I've seen in the Honda group that I'm in. Them ball joints, they be leaving the car looking like Lightning McQueen, ka-chow. And then I think that like I said, that CV axle, we're gonna get that taken care of for that driver's side or for that passenger side, and then that should be it. So y'all just bear with me. We almost done. Beginning of August, like I said, just got Junior shipped back off to Georgia for him to start his 8th grade year. So yeah, y'all just keep tuning in. Like I said, this one should be on the road here within the next month. Maybe like late December, or not December. God damn, maybe late August, because I do know a couple things that's what I was gonna look at. If I was gonna look at, I know it was a couple things as far as like the AC hose on here. It was fabricated on there some type of way. It broke, so that's gonna have to be replaced. The AC compressor, I don't know the condition of it. So honestly, accessory wise, it wouldn't be a bad idea to just put an alternator and a compressor on there, because 9 to my 10, once I pull this off, them other two gonna have to come behind it anyway. So do it 2 for 1. Ain't gotta worry about it no more. And then the power steering should be good. Water pump is behind the cover. We just put a new one there, so that shouldn't be no concern either. So yeah, tune in for the next one.